Guys, welcome to my channel once again. So today we are gonna be doing a vamp pattern. Okay, so this another vamp pattern. Let's go. So we're gonna be using a very popular song. Hearing unto the Lord, singing hallelujah, singing hallelujah, singing hallelujah, singing hallelujah, unto the Lord, singing hallelujah, singing hallelujah. We are singing unto the Lord, singing hallelujah. Okay, so that's just it. Okay, that's just how the vamp pattern is going to be. So I'm gonna break it down now. Stay tuned. I'm gonna be breaking that down, so I'm sure you can see what I just did. So pardon me, I had to sing while playing, so it's a bit complicated between your heads. Yeah. So okay, so it's just a very simple vamp pattern, unlike the usual vamp pattern which we normally let me see. And which we normally say left first, yeah, which we normally say left first, but this one actually is a bit mixed up because in this particular pattern I used my right hand first. So if you notice, and we are singing unto the Lord, I started with my right hand. Okay, so unlike this, the normal pattern I normally tell you guys, this particular one we start with our right hand. Our right hand goes first. So I'm going to be breaking that down. I'm going to be showing you the pattern, the rhythm we're using. Okay, so let's go. So first of all, let's look at the chord progression. It's just a very simple chord progression, and I choose that song because many people should know it. Okay, so we are singing on the. So I'm on the key of F. Okay, okay, so we are singing unto the Lord, singing hallelujah, so singing hallelujah, we are singing hallelujah. Your two, the record, your two, then so, okay, singing hallelujah. Sorry, then you do back to your one. Okay, so your one, your two, your five, and back to your one. Okay, so that's it. Very simple. So let me show you the pattern now. Okay, because I don't really want to extend this video. So for those of you that are coming onto my channel for the first time, don't forget to hit that subscription bell. Okay, because I bring breakdown of praises. I'll be bringing breakdown of praises. I'll be bringing some patterns. Okay. We'll cut this side out. Okay. So for those of you just coming to my channel, I will tell you to click the subscription button so that you don't miss out. Okay. So right now, okay, let's see. So we are singing unto the Lord. I use different patterns, okay, so it's not just one. So we'll go with the first one now. So for the first one, we are singing unto the Lord. So what the right hand is doing, we started with the right hand first. So what the right hand is doing, do 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 do. Okay, then our left hand, then the next chord progression is re 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 re. That's like 4 times. So 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, so 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. Okay, so now let's try it. So we are singing unto the Lord. Singing unto the Lord. Do, re, 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 so. Okay, so that's it for our right hand. So now back to our left. Our left now was doing miso, miso, miso. Okay, so that's that. When I did, so the left hand is just breaking these chords down. Okay, so it's very simple. It's still the same thing. It's my left hand is playing, but the thing is that it's breaking the chords down. Instead of you to just hold your do, so we are breaking it down. Miso, you know our do is made up of our do. Miso, so our left hand is just doing miso, 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 fa la, miso, miso, miso. So you break it down, okay? Singing unto the Lord. Miso. Okay, so let's go. Miso, 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 singing hallelujah. You can still hold your rate to like, so you can hold the two of them, but while you are bouncing, you are breaking down the chord, okay? So to make it sound full, you not just do like this. So you can hold your do. Or most people would preferably use this particular song because it has some kind of sound. Okay. Okay, so I'm sure you have gotten that. Okay, so I'm sure you have gotten that. So now, how do we join them together? How do we add them together? So very simple. So remember our left hand started. So you first start with your right hand. Do do mi so. Re. So let me take it slow. So do do. So do do mi so do mi so do. Can choose to use any of the inversion of the saw, either this one or this one. Okay, so if not because of my ring light, I would use this other saw. Okay, so my ring light is like broken, so I can't move my hand freely. So so let's go with the beats. Okay, so first of all, so we are singing unto the Lord. Oh, sorry, I didn't enter well. So we are singing unto the Lord. God, what's wrong with me? Okay. So let's go. So we'll enter it now. Let's try it out. So you have to make it join together. I have to play it faster, okay? So like so let's go it with the beats. Let's go together now. So the Lord singing hallelujah, singing hallelujah, singing hallelujah, singing hallelujah, singing unto the Lord, hallelujah. Okay, so you see what I did there? She just want me to just play it like before I go to Ray. So I added something. So we are singing unto the Lord. Hallelujah. Singing hallelujah. So I added Ray before going back to Do, then before going to Ray. Okay. So okay. That's just to spice things up. And that's all for the vamping pattern. Okay, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Okay, let every key count.